This Heirloom Tomato Flight was nothing short of a revelation, a testament to the idea that simple, high-quality ingredients can create an extraordinary culinary experience. Even my hubster, who is not a Mater fan, tried it and liked it. Hey Mikey, he liked it. He even devoured the egg salad. This unexpected endorsement speaks volumes. Before recording, I prepped all the toppings. Many of you have inquired about my kimchi egg salad recipe, and I'd be happy to make a video showcasing it. Just let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. The standouts for me, the BLTA. This classic sandwich was to die for. The sweetness, crispness, coolness, and creamy richness of the avocado melded into a perfect bite. The kimchi egg salad was a hits out of the park moment. The tangy, spicy kimchi kick beautifully complemented the creamy egg salad, creating a vibrant and exciting flavor profile. It's a fantastic way to introduce new and exciting flavors to a familiar dish. Now, for the surprise fave, the turkey chili crunch. Holy smokes! The turkey and cream cheese combined with the satisfying crunch and subtle heat of the chili created an explosion of flavor and texture that was utterly captivating. This will be on high rotation from now on. This Heirloom Tomato Flight proved that healthy eating can be incredibly satisfying and flavorful. Make it and make your kitchen magic. Okay. We are going to take an Heirloom Tomato Flight. Tuna, romaine lettuce, scallion, cream cheese, turkey, chili crunch. We've got cream cheese, lox, capers, dill. We have your Greek with cucumber, feta cheese, and dill. Kimchi deviled egg salad with kimchi and scallion. Caprese with mozzarella, basil, and balsamic. Your BLTA, bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, with a little bit of mayonnaise. Let us start with the tuna. How could it not be good? The turkey crunch. Cheers. Oh, heck yeah. Eat another bite of that one. That's delicious. Who doesn't put all this on their bagel? Cheers. I already know I'm gonna love this one. Let's show you what this mouth can do. You think I can get this all in my mouth? Oh, that kimchi egg salad is so good. On that heirloom tomato. And of course, you can't go wrong with caprese. I can't cut through the bacon, so we're just gonna go all kinds of Neanderthal on this one. Classic. Absolutely freaking classic. This is so amazing. I suggest you take your heirloom tomato and take a flight yourself. Make your kitchen magic. Okay? Let's eat.